Let's do it!
The Kid Crew can show you with 4 easy dance moves. Start with your feet together and then jump out. Jump them back together. Ewan is doing the banana split. Can you do it fast?
Looks like Hunter is getting his hands ready in front, making a chopping action with his arms one at a time. Now face the side and do the banana chop super speedy.
Alana's move is swirly twirly. Put your hands up high and whisk them around like a blender. Turn that blender on top speed and mix that banana smoothie.
Tap your knees twice, then clap your hands twice. Finish with a smooth move on each side. Tap, tap, clap, clap, smooth, smooth. Smooth moves just like Rome.
Let's put all the steps together. Banana split. Banana chop. Banana blend. Makes a banana smoothie.
Woohoo!
That's delicious.
Yeah, woo!
Those were some seriously smooth moves. Nice one.
We're ready to go bananas. Come on.